Yes. What are you reading?
I'm reading a book of essays.
Okay, good. So, do you know what day it is?
What?
It is Mother's Day.
Okay, it's Mother's Day. Okay.
And on this beautiful occasion, I have prepared a cute card for you.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh, thank you. It's very nice. Very
Welcome.
nice.
But Mama, I want a promise from you.
Promise?
Yeah. So, I know that being a working woman, it's really hard to take care of one's health. And so, I want, even then, you should come with me in a morning walk every day.
Okay, I will try.
Yeah, have this determination. So, Mama, I have prepared 4 lines for you. May I?
Sure.
Take this.
Thank you.
Take this.
Thank you.
Take this.
Thank you.
And take this.
Once again.
So, धड़कन ये कहती है तू सामने मेरे रहना एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना धड़कन ये कहती है तू सामने मेरे रहना एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना हैप्पी मदर्स डे मम्मा सो हाई फाइव
Happy Mother's Day. Visit.
थैंक यू बेटा।
बताओ क्या करो जाओ खुश हो।
चलो एक शायरी सुना दो।
ठीक है सुनो। माँ न होगी तो वफा कौन करेगा, ममता का हक अदा कौन करेगा। ऐ खुदा हम सब की माँ को सदा सलामत रखना, वरना हमारी जिंदगी दुआ कौन करेगा।
चलो एक कोई गाना सुना दो।
अच्छा चलो 2 लाइन आपकी। तू कितनी प्यारी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ, ओ माँ।
शुक्रिया ये तोहफा देने के लिए।
I love you and appreciate you. Thanks for giving birth to me. Thanks for feeding me. Thanks for giving shelter to me. I really do love you and care for you. And I forget all my anxieties when I'm with you. You always motivated me to do good things. You are a so strong and cheerful woman. You are the beautiful and the most precious person on this earth for me. You are a super cool woman and a mom. And without you, this home is just a house. Thanks for everything you gave me. Mom, I promise you that one day I will fulfill all your dreams. Love you so much and happy Mother's Day. First of all, happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Today, I want to thank you for whatever you did for me. You always show me the right path to follow. You always take care of me and you will be always there in my heart. You always try to support me and I know you will be always there in my life. No one can change your position in my heart and you are the light to my life. You mean the world to me and thank you so much.
Hello everyone. At first, I would like to wish a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world. Here is my mother is with me and I have prepared something for her. So here I begin. दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर सूरत है मेरी माँ, निस्वार्थ प्यार और ममता की मूरत है मेरी माँ। मेरे लिए तो मंदिर भी तू और पूजा भी तू ही है मेरी माँ। मैं तेरे बिना कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि मेरी पहली और आखिरी जरूरत है मेरी माँ।
Happy Mother's Day. On this day, I would like to thank my mother for everything. I enjoy spending time with my mother. Sometimes we play together, sometimes we cook together, and many more. I know saying thank you is not enough, but I love you so much.
Thank you for doing every possible to always make me proud of you, mother. I am so thankful to the God to giving me mother such like you, and I am also lucky. Your unconditional love and care mean everything to me. बोलो।
मेरा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे पास हमेशा रहेगा। जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ो, खूब तरक्की करो, बड़ों को इज्जत दो, हमेशा सबका साथ दो।
I really thankful to the God to giving me such mother in my life. I love you, my mom.
You, Mom, for giving me birth and bringing me to this beautiful world. Since my childhood, I have seen you being so strong and cheerful that I have got motivated to follow your path in my near future. You were my first teacher and best friend, and you will be. You are the best friend with whom I can share all my secrets and things freely. The time which I spent with you is the best time in the whole day. Thank you so much, Mom, for doing all these things for me. And I promise you, Mom, that one day I will make you proud and fulfill all your dreams. Thank you so much, Mom, and wish you a very happy Mother's Day.
Love you, beta.
Mama!
What happened?
Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Mother's Day? Today
Yes.
is Mother's Day?
Yeah, you don't remember?
Really, I forget.
Arey, today's Mother's Day. I was waiting for this day from the whole year.
Okay, thank you, beta.
On this day, I want to give you a gift.
Gift?
Yes.
Okay, give me hug. That is my gift. I do not need anything, beta. You are my gift.
But still, I want to give you a gift.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Take this. Open your eyes.
Women Horlicks?
This I had brought from cooperative specially for you.
But how this idea of bringing women Horlicks comes in your mind?
I had seen in the TV that this Horlicks is very beneficial for women.
Okay, beta. Thank you so much.
But you have to keep me a promise.
Promise?
Yes.
What?
That you will take this Horlicks twice a day.
Okay, beta. I will.
Because you are very important and special for me, and I want you to be healthy for your whole lifetime.
Okay, beta, thank you. Really, you are my true friend. And this Mother's Day is now very special for me because now I know my daughter has grown up. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. This is very special and precious gift for me, and it means a lot for me. Love you,
Love
beta.
you, Mama.
Love you, beta.
Best friend with whom I share all my secrets can talk freely on any matter. She is a great person who cares about me, thinks about me, and wants to protect me from all problems. And I will try to fulfill all your dreams. I love you, Mom.
I've never been an expressive child, Ma, but today I want to express my feeling to you. First of all, happy Mother's Day. I want to tell you that I love you the most. And I want to thank you for everything, for your efforts you done for me. And I can't live without you. I can't even imagine my life without you, Ma. And thank you to raise me so lovingly. And I just love you, Ma. I just love you. Thank you. And I want to give you this card which I prepared for you actually, and I think you like it.
Happy Mother's Day. Today, on the occasion of Mother's Day, I have prepared some greeting cards for my mother to thank her for always being there for me. So, do you like the card?
Yes, it's amazing.
Okay. So, one thing, everybody used to say that motherhood is a blessing. But what I think is that to have a mother is the real blessing. So, love your mother, take care of her, help her with her work, and make her smile. And once again, Happy Mother's Day to all.
My name is Minnat Khorwal and she is my mother Rashmi. Now I am going to recite a poem written by me. Mother is great, in her work she is never late. Mother is like mystery, with me she has strong chemistry. Every mother is a gold and every mother is so bold. Mother suffered from lot of pain, for us mother is like a protective chain. Mother always think good for her child, and to protect her child she becomes wild. Mother is like a priceless diamond, for every child her mother is so brightened. Thank you.